Here we have a stunning Range Rover Velar SV Autobiography in Eiger Grey. You have a black contrasting roof, privacy glass, 22-inch alloys with a dark grey gloss finish, and you also have red brake calipers, a powered tailgate, and the SV badging on the back. Going into the front of the vehicle, you have Range Rover script tread plates and a lovely two-tone leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. 10-inch touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A sat-nav with a wide view, making it easier to see whilst you're driving. You can also connect your phone, and you have a rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Everything can be controlled using the buttons on your wheel, and you also have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. You also have a heated steering wheel, along with heated and cooled front seats, which is ideal for winter and summer. And you also have a massage option, which is a luxury to have. The front seats are also memory, which is handy if there's several people driving the vehicle. And you also have a Meridian sound system. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the Range Rover Velar in Eiger Grey. If you're interested in this lovely car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.